In 1926, a man took to the skies with a bold ambition to become the first person to fly over the North Pole. His name? Richard Evelyn Byrd. And when he returned, he claimed victory. He was hailed as a hero, a pioneer, and even a legend. But almost a century later, many wonder, did Byrd really fly over the pole? Or was it one of history's greatest deceptions? On May 9, 1926, Byrd and his co-pilot Floyd Bennett took off from Spitsbergen, Norway, in a Fokker tri-motor aircraft named the Josephine Ford. They claimed to have flown over the geographic North Pole, spending over 15 hours in the air, braving frigid winds and uncharted skies. When they returned, Byrd was celebrated worldwide. Newspapers hailed him as the first man to conquer the pole by air. The U.S. government awarded him the Medal of Honor. To the public, the feat was undisputed. For a while. But years later, cracks began to appear. In 1996, Byrd's original flight diary was discovered. Inside were altered times, suspicious gaps, and possible forgeries. Navigation experts analyzed the flight path and fuel range. Their verdict? The plane simply couldn't have made the round trip. The speed and time didn't add up. Some believe Byrd may have turned around early due to mechanical issues and falsified the log to protect his reputation. The once unshakable legend was now under scrutiny. Just 3 days after Byrd's flight, Roald Amundsen, famed Norwegian explorer, took off in a massive airship called the Norge. Unlike Byrd, Amundsen's expedition left solid, verifiable data. Multiple observers confirmed the journey. And today, Amundsen is recognized as the true first to fly over the North Pole. So what do we make of Richard Byrd? A brave explorer who got close? Or a man who couldn't accept failure? Was he a pioneer or a pretender? A legend or a lie? In the end, his flight may never be fully proven. But the mystery still flies high.